First, back up the default grub file before making any changes. To see the contents of typical grub file, execute this command. Open default grub file using any text editor, for example Nano. Find the line grub default. We can select the default OS to boot using this option. If you set the value as 0, the first operating system and the grub boot menu entry will boot. If you set it as 1, the second OS will boot, and so on. Also, if you have more than one OS in your system, you can boot the last operating system using this value. Whenever you reboot the system, the last operating system will start boot. Please note that you should add this line to make this trick work. Don't forget to update the changes made in grub file by running the following command. By default, the selected entry from the boot menu will start to boot in 10 seconds. You can increase or decrease this timeout setting. If the value is 0, the default OS will immediately start to boot. If the value is 5, the boot menu will appear for 5 seconds, so that you can select which OS you want to load when the system starts. To change the grub background image, you can directly mention the image file path in default grub file. Add the following line. Replace the image path with your own. Grub supports only 256 color JPG or JPEG image formats. So, it is better to use PNG format images. Once you made the necessary changes in the grub file, save and close it. To apply the changes, you must run the following command. Reboot and check whether the changes are working or not.